Good morning, 6:45 a.m., December 27, Mango and Coco, and a second morning run. So first one was around 6 o'clock, and now it's 6:45. So what I want to tell you, if you're considering to have two pets, two siblings, they are copycats, right? So they do live on a similar schedule, very unique. So if one doing business, the second one gonna take care of business in the same time, pretty much like second to second. Sometime it can be delayed by minute, but it's usually like repeat after me kind of a deal. So this is very interesting fact we discovered. So today they 51 years of age. Not 51 years, 51 day. It's early morning affected me. But they a discovery crew. They want to consider every little corner, every little object, every little thing. So you have to watch after them. So this is kind of a tips and advice if you're considering this fluffy bundle of joy, which is exactly what's happened to us. Me and my wife, we are professional in our life and busy schedule and have a pretty fulfilling life, but we were missing out on this bundle of joy. Obviously, it's a lot of responsibility to take care of them and adjust your schedule to feed these two puppies and assume, full responsibilities. But I guess it's worth it, it just absolutely worth it. Yeah. As far as the care, the setup is pretty simple. Later in a few videos I will show the crate and items we have for them. It's very, very basic. Look at this bundle of joy. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I love them so much. I don't know. I was missing out. He wants to eat the phone. He said, remove this object and take me on hand. All right, I guess I gonna play with them. All right, see you next video next time. Day 51. He's biting my feet.